Hello everyone, my name is Diana and I am a tutor here on Cambly. Today we're going to be looking at 5 main types of adverbs in the English language. An adverb is a word that provides us additional information about a verb, an adjective, or even another adverb. In this video, we're going to look at adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of manner, adverbs of frequency, and adverbs of degree. Let's go look at examples of each and example sentences. Adverbs of place tell us where the verb is happening. Adverbs of place can be inserted after the main verb, the object, or at the end of a sentence. Some examples of adverbs of place are here, there, into, onto, everywhere. And some example sentences are, he looked everywhere for his missing keys but couldn't find them. The children love playing outside. When I went to Spain last year, I stayed there for 3 days. The next adverb we'll look at are adverbs of time. Adverbs of time provide us with more information about when the verb is taking place. They can be placed at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. When we want to add emphasis to the time that it's taking place, it will be at the beginning of the sentence. Some examples of adverbs of time are recently, during, now, today, tomorrow. Some example sentences are, the movie is starting soon. I have a lot of work today. We recently bought a new car. Now let's move on to adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner tell us how the verb is being done. Adverbs of manner are probably the most common type of adverb that you will find, and we can identify them because they usually end in ly. Some examples of adverbs of manner are politely, quietly, beautifully, wonderfully. Some example sentences are, he quickly packed his bags and left for work. I politely rejected the job offer. She dresses beautifully. Next, we'll look at adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often the verb occurs. We usually find them before the main verb. Some examples are often, rarely, usually, always. Some example sentences are, I rarely eat fast food these days. He usually wakes up at 7 a.m. They always go fishing on Friday afternoons. Lastly, we will look at adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tell us about the level or intensity of an adjective, a verb, or even another adverb. They are words like so, very, quite, nearly, to. Some example sentences are, it's too loud in here for me to concentrate. I'm quite busy today. I'm so excited to travel next week. So that's all for today on adverbs. Those are the 5 main types of adverbs that you can find in English. Be very careful when constructing your sentence and placing your adverbs in the sentence. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly provides you with instant access to native English speakers from all over the world, where you can practice your English. You can access Cambly through your laptop or even through your smartphone. If you'd like to give it a go, try Cambly. I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.